How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see the search icon next to home icon. Tap on the search icon and tap on the search bar. Here you will find all the recent searches. You can delete them by tapping on See All at the top right and then tap on this Clear All. It will ask you to confirm, tap on Clear All once again and your search history will be cleared. Once you clear your search history, now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. On this page, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right, and once you reach to the settings page, here you need to find search history. You may also use the search bar at the top and there type in search history. Once you get the suggestion below, tap on this search history and tap on this clear all searches at the very bottom. Here you need to select all time and tap on clear all searches. This will clear all your search history. Now after this, you can go and check Instagram search suggestions when typing deleted or not. If not, you may also report this problem. For that, you need to tap on this profile icon at the bottom right again, tap on three horizontal bars on the top, and on the settings page, scroll all the way down. Here under more info and support, you'll find help option. Tap on this help option. There you'll find the option report a problem. Tap on report a problem. Also, you may simply tap on this report problem button right here. And here tap on include and continue. Now you will be asked to explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram. Here you can request to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. If you have any screenshot or photos related to it, you may also tap on this upload or screenshot to upload these photos. Now after you are done typing, tap on the send button at the top. Then the problem will be reported now. So you need to now wait for 1 or 2 days to bring this into action by Instagram. So this is how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.